Good morning, third grade. Here we are with our second example problem. Now, this is going to be similar to the first example problem. The only difference is you're not going to have a model to draw, and you're going to have to create the model yourself. This example says, draw to show how much each person gets, shade the amount that one person gets, write the answer. So, 6 brothers share 5 sandwiches equally. How much does each brother get? So I know there are 5 sandwiches. So I'm going to draw my 5 sandwiches. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and draw squares the best I can, because a sandwich is usually shaped like a square. So I'm going to draw 5 sandwiches, and then I'm going to have to partition them each into 6 equal parts because there are 6 brothers. Now, we should not just be drawing lines across to create 6. They need to be equal parts, because we know when we are creating equal parts, they have to be equal. The word equal is in there. So there's 6 brothers. So I'm going to break each one of my sandwiches into 6 equal parts to the best of my ability. So I'm going to break up the first one. I'll break up the second one. Now notice how I'm creating my 6th. I'm trying to make them as equal as possible. Then the second part of this question asked me to shade in how much one person gets and to write the answer. So after I fill this in, I'm going to have to fill in or shade in how much one person gets. So I know, take my pencil, you could use a different color if you want. I'm going to shade in how much one person gets. So there's 6 brothers and 5 sandwiches. I broke each sandwich into 6 equal parts. I'm going to shade in 1 part of each sandwich. That's how much one brother is going to get. So I shaded in how many parts there are in each sandwich. So now I have to think, how much is each brother going to get? Well, he's going to get 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. So I know that each brother will get 5/6. Because if I did it for the rest of the brothers, brother 2 would get a part. I'll do it for a second brother just to show you. Brother 2 would get this part. Oops. Brother 2 would get this part. Another brother would get that. Brother 2 would get 1 more part of each sandwich. And each sandwich is broken into 6. So each brother will get 5/6 because he'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one is in 6th, and they received 1/5 from each one. A way that I could look at that would be 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/5. And we know when we add, we don't add the denominators. Oops, I'm sorry, 6. Not that mistake, because we broke it into 6, not into fifths. So it's important that you double check your work. And when you add that up, you will get 5/6. So each brother will receive 5/6 of the sandwich.